Hey there, welcome to the video, and in this video I'm going to be talking about environment variables. So I'm going to teach you how to hide sensitive information like username and password in the environment variable. So one of the problem that beginners suffer is whenever they are making any type of code. So basically if they have to include any username or password in that, so they are usually hard coding that. And when you upload the code or share the code with anyone, you are basically revealing your password and sensitive data or API keys. So in order to get rid of this problem, this is a solution, that is the environment variable. So let me show you how we can create one and use it efficiently. So first of all, what you need to do on a Mac is basically you gotta say cd so that you can come in the root directory, and simply you can say nano, and you can say dot bash underscore profile, hit enter. Let's create an environment variable known as export user name, and remember this is sensitive information that you're putting it. So all right, so now you have done with that. Now in order to save it, you can say control X, say Y to save, enter, and that's it. Now let's go to desktop and create a Python file. So I'm gonna say touch, so just using a bash commands. So I'm gonna say secret.py, and sure enough it should be created on the desktop. So I'm gonna say ls, it's gonna open in an atom editor, secret.py. Yeah, you see it's gonna open up quickly. So once that is done, what you need to do is basically import OS, right? Now in order to access that information, how do you do that is basically you can say data os.envir, and remember that's a dictionary key value, so we said username, just print it out. So this is how you save your sensitive information on using environment variables. So if I run this, so let me clear it up. Python 3 secret.py. Here you see Somil Shah. So you can create as many environment variable you want, your password, email IDs, and stuff like that. Don't do this, okay, guys, please. I have seen people doing this, like password, like my password. They're physically typing in the code. Don't do that, please. So this is how you can do it efficiently on a Mac or a Linux. Thank you for watching. Hope you have benefited from this tutorial. If so, do give a like and share this video to the people whom you think it will benefit. Have questions, post them in the comment section, and I shall see you back in the next video. Thank you for watching.